Today we'll be discussing the importance of proper logistic management in competitive business environment. Logistics is a key part of supply chain management. It involves moving products from suppliers to customers, making sure deliveries are on time and the right locations. As business grows and customer demands increase, logistic challenges, especially in warehouse management, become more complex. Choosing the right warehouse location and size is essential for efficient operation, cost control, and meeting customer expectation. Our company is major player in the electric and electronic E&E industry, operating in the Bayan-Lepas industrial zone in Penang. This location offers great benefits, including access to key markets. However, as industrial activity in the area grows, we are facing problems with our current warehouse. The increasing number of orders has exceeded our warehouse capacity. This has caused delays in production and delivery, which could impact our reputation and operation. To address this challenge, we have decided to invest in new storage facility. This report will assess a possible location for a new warehouse, analyzing the issue with our current setup and considering factors like geography, transportation, infrastructure, cost, and long-term stability. Our main goal is to find a warehouse location that not only solves our current storage limitation but also provide long-term benefits. This new site will allow us to continue growing and competing effectively in the market. In the report, we will cover the challenge of the current warehouse and then present our chosen location backed by maps and logistic analysis. Ultimately, we aim to improve our production and delivery capabilities by keeping costs under control and ensuring operational efficiency.
After doing research, we managed to identify a few problems with the location of the current warehouse and how it can affect our company's performance. One of the problems is space limitation. Our company needs to expand the current warehouse in order to accommodate the huge order. However, it is not ideal to expand the current warehouse because of the location. As we can see, Bayan-Lepas pre-industrial zone is completely filled with industrial buildings, making it harder to expand and find available space. Apart from that, another problem with the location that our warehouse has to face with is high land and rental costs. Bayan-Lepas pre-industrial zone is a prime industrial area, making the cost to purchase a land and rental pay even higher because of high demand and proximity to key transportation hubs. It is clear that building a new warehouse or expanding the current warehouse in the same area could significantly increase the operational costs. Besides that, another problem is traffic congestion. It is clear that there are a lot of heavy industrial activities in the Bayan-Lepas pre-industrial zone. Heavy industrial activity means the road around the industrial zone can experience severe congestion, especially during peak hours. As a result, this will cause delay and it could reduce the effectiveness of the supply chain, particularly when processing higher order volumes. This could also increase the cost of transport because of longer delivery time and increased fuel consumption. Subsequently, another problem is limited accessibility to ports and highways. Bayan-Lepas is closer to Penang International Airport, but further away from other transportation routes such as Penang Port and major highways. As the order volume increases, it is important to be closer to major highways and ports. Next, another problem is labor shortages and high labor costs. The current warehouse is competing for skilled workers with many other industries in the area. The cost of hiring workers will also be higher, and it is harder to obtain workers. Next is zone restrictions. It is limited to expanding the warehouse in the same area because of the zoning regulations that limit the height, size, or the type of warehouse that can be constructed in Bayan-Lepas pre-industrial zone. Finally, the last problem is energy and utility constraints. There are many other industries operating in the same zone, so the strain on utilities like electricity, water, and internet infrastructure can be high. If a larger warehouse were built in the area, it might face limitation in terms of energy supply and face higher operational costs.
We choose Batu Kawan because it is a rapidly developing industrial zone. There are multinational companies. This place is very crucial to Penang's economic growth itself. Potentially, this will attract local and international investors. We decided to build our own private warehouse instead of using a public warehouse because the company has full control over the warehouse. In addition, a private warehouse can expand as the production grows bigger. Consequently, the company can minimize the inventory costs because it does not need to purchase public warehouse service from a third party.
Now, I'm going to talk about the reason why we choose Batu Kawan as our new warehouse location. The first is proximity to Penang Port. Batu Kawan is relatively close to Penang Port, which can help to reduce lead time, thus increasing efficiency to the supply chain. Also, we can use a cargo ship service to deliver our product across Malaysia. Next, larger land plots. This area has a larger and more cheaper land than Bayang Lepas. We can use this opportunity to build a warehouse that matches our needs to accommodate a huge order. Third, modern infrastructure. Batu Kawan is a part of rapidly developing area in Penang. Thus, it can support a large-scale industrial operation just like our company need. Fourth, access to major highways. This area is well connected to the North-South Expressway and other road network. With this, it can make the delivery time more faster and increase customer satisfaction. Next is less congestion. Compared to Bayang Lepas, this area has less traffic issue that can make our delivery time more faster. As a result, this will decreasing total cost of transportation such as fuel costs. And lastly, cost effective. Land cost of Batu Kawan is lower compared to Bayang Lepas. As a result, we can build our warehouse on no total cost.
So I want to talk about conclusion. So opening a warehouse in Bayang Lepas presents a significant challenge for us in achieving customer comfort and minimizing costs. This is because the location in Bayang Lepas is quite small, leading to a late space to accommodate inventory. Additionally, several traffic congestion and limited access to highway result in delayed deliveries. After thorough research, we have identified a more suitable location, which is Batu Kawan. This location is near the Penang Port and highways, allowing for faster delivery and better customer satisfaction. Moreover, the larger space allows us to store more inventories in the location. We can overcome logistical challenges, provide greater flexibility, and meet future demand more efficiently. This decision strengthens the company's supply chain and enhances customer satisfaction.